Welcome to Muang Thai Life Insurances. Say goodbye to all your worry. Introducing document preparations of life insurances application for foreign applicant in Thailand. Don't worry, simply follow this step. Step 1. Document for identity verification. 1. Copy of passport. 2. Copy of visa. 3. Copy of ID card. Addition condition as follow. If working in Thailand, copy of visa work permit. If business owner in Thailand, copy of the certificates of registration and copybook of shareholder. If have to study in Thailand for long term, copy of the certificates of student status or transcript. If having relationship with a Thai national, for example, married with a Thai person, copy of marriage certificate. For more information, please to visit our website www.muangthai.co.th and simply dial +662 290 2424. Muang Thai Life Insurances is ready to take care of you.